Hello everyone, my name is Ifra Fatima and today we are going to make a boat, a origami boat. The only thing required is a square sheet. So let's begin. First fold it into half, then fold it into another half and then fold it like this. You see these two sheets? Fold it like this and then fold it the other side the same way. Then you see this side opening. Open it and then fold it this way and then fold it the other side the same way you fold it that side, the other side. So you'll see a diamond with you. This diamond will have a sheet that is smaller than this sheet. You see it? Open it like this. And then fold it like this. Then do the same thing the other side and fold it like this. So guys, our mini boat is done. Thank you for watching. Bye.